So what is Fum Essential? It's a simple device, has no heat whatsoever, so there's no mist, no vapor. It doesn't change the state of the essential oils. Now this company uses the brand Young Living oils, and if you are familiar with the brands, it is considered one of the top therapeutic grade oils. Essential oils are pretty much infused in this, and this is designed to dilute the essential oils to a safe amount. So what you do is you put these cores into this device. You have to fray it a little bit. So what I got is the lavender, I got the peppermint, and I got the eucalyptus. So by breathing in on the mouthpiece and out through your nose, the olfactory system in your nasal cavity will take in the benefits of the essential oils. And the concept is that it does it much quicker than sitting in a room with a diffuser. And in fact, on the website, it does say 1 to 2 uses of this is equivalent to sitting in a room with a diffuser for 2 hours. I don't know how they measure it, but if that's the case, then this is super convenient. And I also like the fact that for every fume that they sell, $2 does go to the Messiah for Kenya Orphanage. In terms of design, I do like how simple it is. It is 100% sustainable materials, including the case. So make sure you do put it in here. Otherwise, the essential oils will just dissipate. So put it in this airtight case. Now for changing out, if you want to change the oil in it, it is a little bit, well, it's not as simple as I would like. You do need tweezers to get it out. Otherwise, you can't really squeeze your fingers in there. So you use the tweezers, take it out like that, and you grab a different one and just put it in. So what were the results I noticed amongst these three, peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus? The first one I tried was eucalyptus. It was super strong, but it did clear out my nose, which is awesome. Peppermint kind of gives me that zing in the morning to wake up. Also does help with my nose. Lavender, I did try at night to see if it would have a relaxing effect. I didn't notice too much. Well, the one thing I did notice was the taste. So that's one thing to keep in mind when you are breathing in the essential oils, is you may taste it as well, but it doesn't last long in your mouth. One thing you can do to compare, if you do notice any results, is try to sit in your room with a diffuser with an essential oil and use that same essential oil in the fume and see which one you can sense the most. I tried that with eucalyptus for my allergies. I did find the fume did work way better than just sitting in a room with a diffuser with eucalyptus. So one thing to note when the core is in the fume is that it'll last a few days, 2-3 days. So in each package, there's 4 cores. So that's something to keep in mind when you're figuring out how long will each pack last for you. So that's Fum Essential. If emotional well-being or wellness products is important to you, then please do like and subscribe to my channel.